we work towards solutions that incorporate modernization of the hospital workplaces using Internet of Medical Things, which means how do you put the patient at the center of the experience, and then kind of gestate solutions around the patient, keeping the patient in mind, right? That can be telemedicine, that can be virtual diagnostics, that can be IOMT and cloud conversations.
Shifting gears for a moment,
Mhm.
let's discuss the most promising innovations and technology enhancements you have witnessed in recent times. What's your perspective on how future of healthcare would look like in India?
Hmm. I think, I have been in digital for quite a few years. I would say close to a decade now. And I've worked at Microsoft for their digital solutions for many years as well. So it first started with the whole SMAC, right? The social mobile kind of solutions, and then the big data and analytics and cloud solutions. So people started to look at it from an aspect of how do I digitize an enterprise? How do I create solutions in various industries to have a connected world? Um, and From that, if you see today, right, the whole it's not an optional aspect anymore. The entire world has become connected. Industry 4 has kind of just held that vision with various solutions, right? Be that Internet of Things or Internet of Medical Things, wearables, whole host of solutions that have come to play. So in life sciences, I think some of the core things which are favorite themes with us at Birlasoft, without going into a whole lot of detail, I think from a mission standpoint, right, we work towards the well-being of the world at large. Blindness research and blindness solutions using artificial intelligence and ML is a big focus area, right? Then we work towards solutions that incorporate modernization of the hospital workplaces using Internet of Medical Things, which means how do you put the patient at the center of the experience, and then kind of gestate solutions around the patient, keeping the patient in mind, right? That can be telemedicine, that can be virtual diagnostics, that can be IOMT and cloud conversations back and forth, that can be remote surgery, your physician monitoring you using solutions like Kinexus and so on, right? Many mechanisms in which AI and ML come to play for us. What is the potential of something like this? Vast, rapid strides that you can make in medicine, right? Earlier, we didn't have that kind of collaboration that came to play in the world. Today, it isn't that. Today, people are looking at how fast can I address certain conditions, right? Lung cancer or, blindness, like I said. Earlier, we never thought we could reverse blindness, right? It's like a moonshot goal earlier, but now it's addressable. So how can we look at things like that? What is the vista or the extent of a journey that I can have towards medicine is a huge thing. Another trend which is focus area is 5G, right? There's a whole lot of potential in 5G to kind of enable faster, easier, and affordable and accessible healthcare. And so that is something that we are looking to kind of bring solutions forth, right? I think that's a little bit of a, in a nutshell, what we are looking at, right?